control of your Apple Watch is make her angry or you want to then go on your merry way. But you can't like untap it anymore. Thanks. No problem. It'll be dead by then. Drano in your
He's so silly. He's looking at you too. He's looking at the camera. It's kind of dark in here, boy.
And your stuff in the trash where it belongs. And I said, enjoy you. I've done my sentence. You're dead to me and my